Hey, this is T from TMNT here. Yeah, I got a panda beside me and a cat. Yeah. Sorry for not making many videos lately, but we'll try work on it. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, it's a T. It's the first T, not the second one. Yeah. Hey, also stay tuned for one semester Spanish travel song coming to you this week. Yeah.